Are you looking for the best food storage containers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best food storage containers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chef's Path Food Storage Container Set. This set of 32 pieces breaks down to less than $2 per container, which is a steal. And it has more than a budget-friendly price going for it. The containers are stackable for storage and come with handy chalkboard-style labels and erasable markers for those who like to go the extra mile in fridge and freezer organization. These passed our leak test, but our avocado browned quite a bit overnight, suggesting that these containers aren't entirely airtight. That said, they clean up easily with no staining or odors, which can't be said of all the plastic sets we tested. Moving on at number 4. We have the Rubbermaid Easy Find Vented Food Storage Containers. Many of the container sets we tested lacked a solution for neat lid storage, but not this set from Rubbermaid. The set is designed so that the same lid fits on several different sized containers in the set, meaning you don't have to dig through a stack of similar-looking lids to find the one you need. In addition, the red plastic lids snap into neat stacks for storage. The larger containers have vented lids that are great for microwaving, and they had no issues keeping water inside during our leak test. According to our tester, the second-day avocado kept in one of these containers was passing, though not as vibrant and fresh as in some containers. And while the containers are lightweight and durable, the plastic material may stain more easily over time. At number 3, we have the Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Container Set. If you prefer a set of lightweight, easily stackable plastic containers for storing food, these crystal clear vessels from Rubbermaid are your best bet. The plastic is sturdy, thick, and high quality. It even looks like glass from a distance. The lids form an airtight and watertight seal using 2 latches. These containers kept our avocado bright green and fresh looking overnight. The containers stack together neatly for storage and take up less space than their glass counterparts. The lids do not stack, though, and the set includes 2 very small containers, 1/2 cup, that our tester thought seemed less useful than others. The best feature of these plastic containers is that the lids are microwave safe and have vents for safe heating. At number 2, we have the Bayco Glass Food Storage Container Set. If you're looking for something a little cheaper, these Bayco containers perform similarly to the Pyrex set in our tests but cost about $1 less per container. The lids lock in place using 4 plastic tabs and form an airtight seal using a non-removable rubber gasket. In our leak tests, the seals on the Bayco containers proved watertight. Plus, our halved avocado stayed greener and fresher looking in this container than in any other we tested. The glass bottoms were also easy to clean, and the glass did not retain any odors or stains from tomato soup stored overnight. The manufacturer recommends hand washing the plastic lids, which can be a drawback if you prefer to toss everything in the dishwasher. If you don't mind the extra cleaning step, these are a great budget-friendly pick for storage containers that meet a wide range of needs. Finally at number 1, we have the Pyrex Simply Store Glass Food Storage Container Set. These Pyrex containers were our testers' favorites for durability, versatility, and design. Made from thick, shatter-resistant tempered glass, these containers can safely be used in the microwave, dishwasher, freezer, and even the oven, though the lids are not oven-safe. When filled with water and shaken vigorously, the tight-fitting lids didn't leak a single drop. The glass didn't hold on to any food smells or stains and fared perfectly fine in the dishwasher, lids and all. The containers even kept a halved avocado about as fresh looking as we could hope for overnight. When microwaved, the containers didn't splatter soup, nor did they get so hot we couldn't handle them, even after 2.5 minutes. However, these containers are a bit bulkier and heavier than lightweight plastic ones. They're more difficult to store and don't form a neat nested stack. The lids don't stack at all. But at $38 for an 18-piece set, this is a great all-around choice if you have the storage space. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.